Hello students, today I'm going to teach you the last lesson what we have to do in our grade 9, lesson 28, data representation and interpretation. I have already asked you to complete the review exercise. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the answers of the review exercise. As you are always appointed the review exercise to do first, to recall the knowledge, to recall what you have learned in previous grades. Okay. Let's move. Lesson 28, discussion of the review exercise. First question. You are given the ages of the members of a school cricket team, rounded off to the nearest year. And from them, you're asking the range, mode, median, the mean. Right. Normally, once you get such a group of data or set of data, first of all, you want to check whether that is given in ascending order. If it is not given in ascending order, first of all, you want to write it in ascending order. That is a must. So here, 11 values are given. Out of them, the smaller value is 15. Right? 1 minute before that, I'll write the given data. Then you can understand you are given 15, 16, 15, and 2 16s. After that, 19, 17, 18, again 17, 16, and 18. Like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you are given 11 data. Right, the way that these data are given are not okay. You have to arrange this in ascending order. So the smallest value is 15. There are 2 15s. After that, so once you take one value, you can cut it. No, 50. The 2 15s are there. You were taken. Then 16s, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 16s are there. After that, there are 2 17s. Right, then let's cut them. 2 17s. After that, 2 18s and 1 19. Right. Now, after you write in again, count and check whether have you written all 11. Here, I had some small gaps. You don't keep any gaps, right? You can write these continuously. Right. Now, let's see what is Roman number 1 asking. The range. So, always, how do we find the range? Right? Range of a given distribution, how to find? From the maximum value, you want to subtract the minimum value. So according to this, maximum is 19, minimum is 15, therefore range is 4, according to this question. Then Roman number 2, asking the mode. Mode is the number which is repeated many times. So here 16 repeating 4 times. So mode is 16. Third is asking median. So as there are 11 data, you have learned straight away also you can take. But there is a way of taking this answer. No? We can find the data of the median. The datum of the median. So how to find the datum of the median? Right? Half, that n plus 1 over half, or half into half over 2. I'll do it in this way. If not, yeah, not clear. No. Half of n plus 1. N is number of terms. So here there are, I'll do it, the remain I'll do here. Half of n plus 1. So here there are 11 terms. No. Then 11 plus 1 is 12. Then half of 12 is 6. Therefore, the datum of the median is 6th term. 6th term of this number pattern. So, once you write the number pattern in ascending order, the 6th term. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the middle value is 60. Then after that, you can write therefore, median equals 60. Like this, you can have the answer. Then fourth part, you're asking the mean. So how can you find the mean? You add all these values and divide it by 11. So sum of all of these values is 183. Divide by 11 is 16.6. Right? You add and check. Sum of that is 183. Divided by 11, you are getting 16.63, like that, a decimal answer you are getting. So we'll keep it by rounding off to the first decimal place. Answer is 16.6. Right, then let's move to the second question of the review exercise. Here also you are given a set of data. First of all, I'll copy the data, which is the data which are given. 26, 28 2 times, 29, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, again 28, 30, 31, 32, and 27. And always once you write here 14 data, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, I have written all 14. But you can see that these are not in ascending order. So first of all, we want to arrange them in ascending order. So first, the smallest number is 26. No. So 26 has only one time. Then 27, 2 times there. Okay, let's write in ascending order. 26, 27, 2 times there. After that, 28, 1, 2, 3, 4. 28, 4 times. After that, 29 has 2 times. 29 has 2 times. Then 31, 2. 30 has 2 times. Then 31 also there are 2 times. 1, 2. Now remain only 32. So after that, check whether have you written 14, 3, 6, 9, 10, 14. Okay. Now let's move to the questions asking. First asking range. So the highest value is 32 minus 26 is 6. Range is 6. Mod is the number which is repeated many times. So here 28 is repeating 4 times. So the mod is 28. The next one asking median. So straight away can't find. And also here there are 14 terms. No? That's why if it is odd number of terms, we can take the middle value easily. If there are even number of terms, we have a doubt. Then first we'll find the datum of the median. Instead of the term datum, you can use the term of the median. Then half of n plus 1. Straight away, I'm taking that as 15. So it's 7.5. 7.5th term. Then 7.5th term in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20. These no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This no. Oh God. I have missed them. Right, it's okay. At last, wait, I'll quickly write. We had the smallest value 26. After that, we had 27 2 times. We had 26, then 27 2 times. After that, we had 28 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 29 1, 2 times. 29 2 times. Then 30 1, 2. Yeah, after that all okay. Yeah. Now we want the 7th and 7.5 mean we want 7th and 8th term. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7th and 8th terms are 28 plus 29. Okay. Right. Then we can take therefore median equals 28 plus 29 over 2. Then when you add 28 plus 29 will be 57. 57 divided by 2 is nearly 28.5. So median of this is 28.5. Then fourth question is asking the mean. Then you want to add all of these values. Sum of these values will be 404. When you divide 404 by 14, you are getting 28.85. Or if you round off this to first decimal place, it will be 28.9. So this is that's all about the review exercise. Right. Okay, children. Now let's move to the first heading of this lesson 28. You have to take the heading now. You start to write the note with this video. 28.1 Ungrouped frequency distribution. Right. Now we are going to learn about the ungrouped frequency distribution, which is on page number 94. First of all, you want to know what is called an ungrouped frequency distribution. Please see page number 95. Right? Here. I hope you all can see page number 95. An ungrouped frequency distribution is a table containing the values of a data set and their respective frequencies. Right, okay. You take that as your definition. Okay. Then we'll learn about what is called the ungrouped frequency distribution with an example. Then it is easy for us. Right. After you get in the definition of ungrouped frequency distribution, have example 1. Right, I'm explaining you the example 1. It is not mentioned as example 1. You see page number 94 here. Right, please copy that question. The marks obtained in a test by the students of a certain class are given below. And you are given the set of marks. You please copy that set of marks. Okay, right. Now you can see here these marks are given as a set, right? I'll also copy those marks, then you may clear that now very well. You are given here 42, 70, 68, 68, 56, 62, and 74 3 times. After that 56, 62, 85, 91 2 times, 74 2 times, 56 and 68 3 times, and 74. Like this way, you are given a set of 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. marks of 21. Let's see whether did I write 21 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 21. Right. Now, these are not grouped. No, you can see the marks are written just in a line. Right. That is not group. Right. When we are grouping, right, now we are going to group it, right, but this group is also not a proper one, right? So once we group this in a table, for that table we say ungrouped frequency distribution. Now you may have a doubt, we group, no, so why do we say for this ungrouped frequency distribution? You may get a doubt, so you will clear it once we are learning group frequency distribution. Now our heading is ungrouped frequency distribution. Here also we are drawing a table, but for that table we give the name as ungrouped frequency distribution. Right. Now here you can see, though there are 21 marks here, not 21 different values, no, some values are repeating. You can see it, no, right? All are not different values, some values are repeating. Now let's draw the ungrouped frequency distribution of this. For this, first of all, we have to take a tally table. This is called a tally table. You have learned about the tally tables since grade 5 you have learned. Right, here we'll get marks. Then here we'll get tally marks. This is not compulsory always. You no need to draw the tally tables. Straight away also you can draw this. Then frequency. Frequency is the number of students. Right. After that, let's find what is the smallest value here. The 40 is not the smallest value here. Right. Then the 42. 42 we have only one time. Then frequency is 1. Further we don't have 42. After that, the next value should be 56. Right, 56, how many times? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 56 in 3 times. So like that, the next number will be 62. We have 62, 1, 2, only 2 times. Then the next number will be 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 68 5 times. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, when we draw tally tables, we have to make it as a bundle when we have 5 terms. Then after that, 70. The next number, 70, we have only one time. Then 74. 74, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 74 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I don't have the space to continue. That's why you can continue this table. I just do here. We have another 2 numbers, 85 and 91. 85 we have only one time. So tally also 1, number is also 1. Then 91 we have how many times? 1, 2. So like this you can continue the tally table. Okay, so you copy this tally table. Right, this is not an ungrouped frequency table or ungrouped frequency distribution. Distribution එක කියන්නේ table එකටම තමයි. Okay, right, this is not an ungrouped frequency distribution. This is just a tally table. Now from this tally table we are going to write, this is called a tally table. Right, this is the tally table. Remember this. This is tally table. Right, now from this we are going to draw the ungrouped frequency distribution. Always for the ungrouped frequency distribution, we are having maximum 2 columns. Right, so here just the marks. And the next is frequency. Frequency means number of students, either frequency or number of students term you can use. Now our marks were 42, 56, 62, 68, 70, 74, 85, 91. Now the frequency. Right? So we got frequencies as 1, 42 one time, no? Then 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 1, 2. Right? I have taken this table from this tally table. Right? This is the ungrouped frequency distribution. Ungrouped frequency distribution is a table. Okay, children? So this is the ungrouped frequency distribution. Okay, right. Now you can finish this table. In an ungrouped frequency distribution table, right? How to find in ungrouped frequency distribution also we can find the mode, median and mean. So throughout this lesson, we are going to learn how to find those things also. So straight away we can find the mode of ungrouped frequency distribution in this way. Mode is the value represented the highest frequency. The value which is represented the highest frequency. Then here the highest frequency is 6. Then the mode is 74. So here mode is 74, not 6. 74 is repeated 6 times. No? So the value related to the highest frequency is the mode of a ungrouped frequency distribution. So now again I recall what you want to do. First of all, you are taking the heading 28.1 ungrouped frequency distribution, then taking the definition which is here, then example 1 manner. You write the marks obtained that statement and taking this set of marks, and by that you draw along this tally table. After this, from this tally table, you want to get the ungrouped frequency distribution. Once you draw this ungrouped frequency distribution, please highlight the mode in this way. Okay. Right. After that, you all have to refer very well. Page number 95. Below the table, you are given few theories. You please refer them. What I told now orally, everything is there. Right? How to find the mode of a ungrouped frequency distribution, median of ungrouped frequency distribution, those things are only given. Right? So now I told you how to find the mode of ungrouped frequency distribution. How to find it? We are considering the highest frequency. The value related to the highest frequency is the mode of ungrouped frequency distribution. Right? Now I'm going to teach you here itself how to find the median of a ungrouped frequency distribution. And I'll tell you another thing. Here sum of this frequency is 21. Normally sum of frequency කියන එක අපි කියනවා sigma f කියලා. Sum of frequency we say as sigma f. Sigma f means sum of frequency. So here sum of frequency is 21. Right? You can extend the table like this way also. Everything please mark in the table. In your book having just a normal table, don't get it as I'm representing here. You want to get the table. Okay. Right. After this, you please get a question. How to find the mode of an ungrouped frequency distribution. How to find the mode of an ungrouped frequency distribution. So how to find, children? Now I taught you now how to find the mode of ungrouped frequency distribution. The value corresponding to the largest frequency the value corresponding to the largest frequency is the mode of an ungrouped frequency distribution. The value corresponding to the largest frequency is the mode of an ungrouped frequency distribution. Here highlight mode of an ungrouped frequency distribution. Then take the second question. How to find the median of an ungrouped frequency distribution. Right. This is little bit not difficult. Sometimes you are getting some messy places, so that's why please listen to this part carefully. Then you may not get any doubts when you are doing this.